It's my birthday, guys. Look at my awesome office manager did. And Krista. Move, woman. Move.
I didn't do any of it, Lily.
Lily did all of it. Miles has started to deconstruct some of my birthday.
Birthday! And Miss Maggie, she helped too.
Miss Maggie helped. Thank you, Miss Maggie. Let's see what this is.
No, not a birthday card.
Rather not open that if there's not money. That looks like a bill. We don't want bills, guys. So yeah, guys, it's my freaking birthday. Today is actually my official birthday. In the last video, you probably have heard me say it's my birthday weekend. It's my birthday weekend. Well, today is actually my birthday. And we got stuff to do, even on your birthday. Had to catch up with a lot of work in the office this morning. But gotta get stuff ready to go to paint. Let me tell you something, guys. All these bolts. We got more bolts, and there's still more bolts. Electric Offroad makes a great product, but taking it apart to get it repowdered and everything else. Whew. Anyways, this is my birthday, guys. I know I said that already. Say it again. We're gonna chill out for a little while, and then we'll be back tomorrow to start this, to finish this up, because my painter, he needs all the stuff. Check out all this. This is the crazy part is this stuff right here is a front bumper, a rear bumper, and a trunk. And I don't even know how many pieces it is. And that section down there. These two sections right here. And then all of this stuff here. The cool part about it is you can accessorize your colors. And I am so excited. I finally figured out the colors I'm going with. Here's what I'm thinking, guys. I really enjoy watching Matt Armstrong. We're just a small channel. We only get 1,000 views of videos. We're not like Matt Armstrong. But this guy, Matt Armstrong, if you never watched him, he basically rebuilds cars or fixes them up, and he documents it so freaking well, and I love it, man. I just love watching his documentary style with his videos, and he just kind of goes over everything he's doing. So I might have one week where it may be more of just Krista daily, Krista just doing a vlog or whatever with Miles, and I might hyper focus on making like a, I don't know, 1 or 2 hour long video of the transformation of Lucille. I'm about to strip her down and take all the parts there to drop them off. All those parts I just showed you are going to be painted. Some of the other parts that are black, those are all going to have a powder coat on them. They're going to be a different color. I know you guys are like, you're going to do another blue and orange car, because I've had Scarlett Johansson was blue and orange. My Turbo S was blue and gray. And then our X3 Sherb is kind of like a pastel blue sort of orange. And I was like, you know what? I think we're going to do something a little different this time. But I wanted to stand out. I don't want to look like everybody. Everybody's got a white car. Everybody's got a black car, That's why I like Frank with G-Life. He did his car red. There's not really many red X3s out, or Maverick R's out there. I don't know if there's any really. They're full red like his, and he took it and ran with it. But what I'm going to do, it's going to be spectacular. It's going to be horrible for some people, and then I'm colorblind on top of it, so probably going to look different to me than it does to you guys, but I think it's going to look sick. Update on the Ace that we took over to Cody. He is building a one-off cage for that car, and he is building doors for it, everything. This car is not going to be something where you can just go buy these parts and it's going to look like every other car. Well, I mean, there's not that many Ace 570s anyways, but this car is going to be sick. Anyways, I got to finish putting a supercharger on this car. You want to go fast? Reach out to me. I can get you a supercharger. quite a few of you already got superchargers from me, and I really appreciate that. Want some wheels and paddles? I got you. I can have them shipped same day. Usually if you buy from me in the morning, I can usually get them shipped out that same day. Go to Packard's website, or you can go to our website, offroaddiaries.com. We got all the Packard stuff on there. It may not let you order on there, but you can at least go on there. I'm going to put my cell number in here. I'm not going to say my cell number because AI will grab your number, and next thing you know, they're sending it out to all the scam bots out there and everything else. So I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm paranoid. I just get tired of spam phone calls. Like today, 3 times a day, I've already been approved for $280,000 loan. Don't know who these people are in India. And I don't think I'll ever really get that money. So stop calling me people. We're getting there. But my ADHD is saying, Jonathan, take apart your new toe links and stuff like that and press these things out. I'm actually pretty much done with that. I've got to do a couple other small things, but I'm going to finish that next week on this car. So now it's time to get... I hate these stupid lock clips. You probably can't see them. And if you're not a mechanic, you probably wouldn't know. But some of them have little, ears on both ends. Probably can't see this. But this does not. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get these clips out. Some of them come right out. Anyways, let's get these things out. You don't want to come outside? You trying to lock yourself in there? Come outside, buddy.
Come on, baby. Look.
Miles is trying to close the gate, and he's trying to lock himself in, and I don't think he understands that. I think we're all guilty of that, guys. Doing stupid things because we don't know no better. Then getting frustrated.
Ride our bike.
I don't want to say stupid. It's not stupid. Yeah, come on. $5 per gallon. 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I know it's kind of just basic generic video, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys what was going on in the shop. For you guys that do like the shop videos, the next few are going to be me in the shop for the most part. It's not going to be a lot of riding going on. We may go on an adventure or two, but we just I got a lot of building to do. So I'm going to try to be pretty in depth and show you guys everything that we're doing to our new Pro R. We've got so many cool new parts, so many new colors that it's going to be. It's not going to look like the average Pro R that's got the wrap or the, the basic colors. It's going to be something, bold, because that's me. That's my personality. And we like our machines to just look different than everybody else's. Not that there's anything wrong with the wrap, or basic colors. I just like to be different. I like to push the bar on things. So I've already started recording the video, the next video. This is just kind of a short and sweet, and then you'll see me fully disassembling the Pro R on Friday and Sunday. It'll be kind of broken up a little bit because we got lots of suspension to take off, lots of parts to paint. It's going to be a lot. So anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and look forward to the Lucille build series starting on Friday. The Lucille reveal. That's what Krista said. That's a great idea. Look forward to the Lucille reveal. But that's going to be at the end of the series. This is going to be the Lucille build right now. So, all right. Love you guys a lot. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. See you on Friday. Bye.